Hi there, are you relatively new to using Photoshop? Are you still confused about what tools you have to use? Here are the Photoshop tools and what they are used for. Part 3. Drawing and Type Tools. Pen tool allows you can create paths, vector shapes, or incredibly precise selections. Freeform pen tool allows you to draw freehand paths or shapes. Every time you draw a path, an anchor points will be automatically added. Curvature pen tool is an easy and simplified version of the pen tool. Add anchor point tool uses to add more anchor points along a path. Delete anchor point tool is used on an existing anchor point along a path to eliminate it. Convert point tool is used on a path's smooth anchor point to change it into a corner point. To change a corner point into a smooth point, click on it. Horizontal type tool or type tool is used for adding regular type to your document. Vertical type tool is used to add text from top to bottom. Vertical type mask tool produces a selection outline that resembles vertical type. Horizontal type mask tool produces a selection outline that resembles the type. However, the text is added horizontally rather than vertically. Path selection tool, the black arrow, is used to select and move an entire path at once. Direct selection tool, the white arrow, is used to pick out and move a specific anchor point, path, segment, or direction handle. Rectangle tool creates square or rectangle-shaped vector, path, or pixel shapes with either sharp or rounded corners. To force the shape into a perfect square, drag while holding down Shift. Ellipse tool, you can create an elliptical vector, path, or pixel shape. To make a perfect circle, drag while holding down Shift. Polygon tool, you can create polygonal shapes with any number of sides. Polygons can be transformed into stars using the star ratio option. Line tool can draw arrows or straight lines. To alter the appearance of the line, you have to change the weight and color of the stroke. Custom shape tool enables you to choose and create unique shapes. Select one of many built-in custom shapes in Photoshop or make your own. Navigation tools. Hand tool allows us to zoom in on an image and move it around the screen by clicking and dragging. Rotate view tool is used to rotating the canvas so you can view and edit the image from various perspectives. Zoom tool is used on the image to zoom in on a particular region. To zoom out, click with the zoom tool while holding down the Alt key on Windows, or Option key on Mac. That's all for Photoshop tools. Like the video and subscribe to us for more. You can follow us on our socials using the links in the descriptions below.